On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 27 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we continue learning about the buildings. A hotel is called 酒店. 酒店. A bank is called 银行. 银行. A hospital is called 医院. 医院. A clinic is called 诊所. 诊所. Now, let's review the words again. 酒店, 银行, 医院, 诊所. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.